Hey y'all, what's good? Welcome to another unboxing from Kofi Noir. And yeah, today in front of you, we are doing an overhead view of the shoes. I'm not looking too well. I'm dealing with like an eye infection, but nonetheless, I wanted to, still do this unboxing. So I decided to, do something we haven't done in a while, which is an overhead view of the shoes. But yes, enough about me. Um, just some real quick things for those of y'all that have been supporting us at Kofi Noir, sharing our posts, giving us shout outs, doing word of mouth. We greatly appreciate that. Without you guys, we wouldn't be able to continue to do the work that we are doing as we're building this brand. And yes, so thank you. And with that, we're going to take a look at how the shoes turned out. So as you see here, you have the faux suede dust bag. And yeah, wow. These are amazing. These are amazing. Oh my gosh. Let's see here. Let's check this out. Yeah. These look amazing. They turned out really, really nice. So what you guys are looking at here are a pair of Dennis Monk slippers by Kofi Noir, one of our popular styles of shoes a lot of clients have purchased from us, as you guys can see here. And this particular client in New York went with a dark brown full grain leather with some brass kind of bronze buckles, which is pretty dope. On the toe area, it looks like there's a shine there, which I really like. And yeah, I mean, overall the shoe looks really nice, looks very elegant, classic shoe. And I look forward to seeing how this particular client styles his shoe. Yeah, usually with Belgian slippers, you wear them with more formal attire, like black tie, tuxedos, things like that. But I feel like the Monk makes it more of a casual shoe as well, which is nice. So you can pair these with denim, you can pair these with chinos, and have a good time. You can wear them with linens and seersuckers, all that. So yeah, that's what makes these nice. And yeah, those brass buckles really highlight the brown, or contrast the brown, if anything, of the leather. Looks really, really elegant, nice. You have a red leather sole here. I'm really glad the shoes turned out nice here. And yeah, I'm just doing some inspection here, looking at the sole, making sure there's no other defects. I like to do a quality check myself just to make sure everything on the shoe looks good before I ship them out to the client. We have black Nubia shoe trees that go along with each of our shoes, just to ensure that our clients are actually having a top of the line luxury experience, and also just reinforcing that we care about quality at the end of the day. That's priority number one for us, and we want to make sure that you are getting what you paid for, literally. But yeah, this dark brown is a very elegant shoe. I usually recommend a lot of our clients going with dark brown because it goes pretty much with every colorway you could think of. And it makes getting dressed or putting outfits together a lot more simpler. As you guys can see here, we have a brown lining as well that we went with. It looks really nice. You see the Kofi Noir stamped on the heel right there in the lining of the shoe. And yeah, I mean, it's a really soft lining as well, which is really nice. And, for the most part, they're comfortable. And that's really what I want our customers and clients to take away when they wear our shoes. Not only are you getting an elegant shoe, a quality shoe, right, with the shoe trees and everything like that, but you're getting a shoe that is comfortable and stylish for sure. So let's put these back in real quick. And then we're going to take a look at the other shoe just to make sure there are no defects or anything like that. But yes, this is a fine shoe. This shoe turned out really, really well. I'm just liking the full grain, the leather, everything, the stitching, right? That's actually machine stitched up there, right? That's why the lines are clean like that. Typically on a bespoke shoe, this shoe was made to order, but on a bespoke shoe, a lot of elements of this shoe would be actually hand stitched. So, that's, some little differences here and there, but nonetheless, the shoe is well made, it's constructed well, and you are going to get your bang for your buck. And more importantly, you're going to have a shoe that you love and you enjoy. So yeah, in the comments section, give us your thoughts. Tell us what you think about the Dennis Belgian Monk slipper. How would you style them? What type of jeans or suit would you wear with these beautifully made Belgian slippers? And yes, that concludes our unboxing of the Dennis Monk slipper. Again, I want to thank you guys for continuing to support the brand, our business, the vision, and, being on this journey with us. Again, we are a small brand that is growing and building a very solid community. And I really want to thank you all for supporting us. We are coming up on our 5-year anniversary. So for inquiries, please email us at info@kofinoir.com or simply take a visit to our store, kofinoir.com. And with that, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Turn on your notifications so you don't miss any updates or unboxings that we do. And y'all stay blessed. Peace.